Besties, let me show you in this video how you can easily make your headband wig that you can rock with your face cap, you can rock it with your baseball cap, you can rock it with a scarf, and basically rock it with anything you prefer. I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this one wig, different ways to style it in this video. So all you need is your Brazilian wool. So for me, I used the length 15 inches. If you want it to be longer, it means you have to increase the length. So I went ahead to roll my Brazilian wool and then I cut it. And after cutting it, I get my headband wig, place it on my mannequin head, and I started to crochet the Brazilian wool onto the headband. Little, maybe like 6 to 7 pieces in one. So I crochet. I'm going to crochet this round. So make sure the knot is tight. Once you crochet, you make sure that the knot is very tight. So I'm going to do this around the headband. So if your frontal is 6 inches, it means you're going to leave 6 inches for the front. If yours is less than that, maybe 5 or more, just leave according to what your frontal measurement is. So for me, I left 6 inches in front. So when I'm done, the next thing is for me to put the Brazilian wool in coils way, like put it as if you are doing your corkscrew braids using your Brazilian wool, not the end. Then go ahead and coil it this way. So I'm going to do all of them like this, and then when I'm done, if there are any fly off, go ahead to clean them up with your scissors. So the next thing I did was to place it in a bowl. Then you are free to add any conditioner of your choice. Then go ahead and pour hot water on it. Make sure it's soaked with the hot water. After which I use my towel to dry it up, or you can just air dry it. And I'm done. I have to lose the coils now with my scissors, just losing the coils. Remember, this headband wig, you can use your scarf to rock it. You can use your bucket hat cap to rock it. You can use your baseball cap to rock it. Like, you can use anything you prefer to rock it. And remember, we are using, I didn't use more than one Brazilian wool. One was enough for me. So when you are done, just losing the coils, and then this is what we have. You can use your cap wig to cap your hat cap to rock it. You can use scarf, you can use anything. If this video was helpful to you, do not forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to share so that your friends and family will also be able to benefit from this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I promise to see you guys in my next upload. It's going to be banger. Stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you guys in my next video how you can easily make French coils with attachment. Stay